My name is Lisa E. Harris, and I am the director of Studio Inertia.
My name is Denise Frazier, and I am an MLK Fellow at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. This program is called Sensing the Port, a community sound experience surrounding the Port Houston. The idea behind this project was to have community members talk about the impending change that they are currently experiencing regarding the expansion of the port, the change that the port has brought to the community already, the environmental implications of more dredging, more sludge, more toxic plumes entering the community. So we wanted to do something that was sound related as a way to remember what is happening currently. And to remember what they've heard, to remember what they've chronicled in a way to understand change and to resist the change that they don't want.
Part of bringing that information to the people, we wanted to do a creative workshop. What we wanted to do was give tools to people in the community that might not be creative sound makers, and kind of gently workshop them through ways that they can use sound and technology to document changes in their environment, and to also kind of make notes of their concerns for later use. The less instruction we gave them, the more freedom we gave them to explore. And we just described that we were going to these locations and that we kind of encouraged them to record whatever sounded good to them or caught their eye, whatever they wanted to remember, whatever they heard and that they felt like recording. So we were trying to engage the participants as creative listeners as well.
This isn't anything new for a lot of communities, unfortunately, around the world. And so a part of this hopefully will enable us to share these sounds with other people, for people to see themselves in this fight, to know that they are not alone, and that it is a strategy to try to make us feel like we are alone, like we're not connected. But we are, and we're still here. And people are still fighting in their own beautiful ways. So what I'm seeing here in Houston is very much connected to New Orleans, to Boston, to everywhere else where people are standing up against environmental injustice.